I already mentioned strings a little bit, but anytime you have some characters surrounded by quotation marks, this one. They can either be single quotation marks, double quotation marks, or backticks. It's a string. These are called string literals, and you can create them just like you see above. I'm going to do a few more. So let's say, for example, var address, and beside these quotation marks I can, for example, say example road number 04, for example. Then I can say, for example, var postal code, let's say, I don't know, 00001, and for example var country, let's say sample country. This is the way you declare strings. So every time you want to create a string, you have to put your words or your phrase or whatever you want between these two quotation marks. Everything that is beside them will be counted as a string. What you cannot do is, for example, remove these quotation marks. So as you see, I have here now a red and yellow underlining, and if I hover over with my mouse, it says expected an assignment or function call, and instead saw expression. So we cannot use that. We have, if we want to use strings, use or put them in between those quotation marks. Okay, so this was how to declare and create string variables in JavaScript, and I will see you in the next lecture.